Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram Notes camera option not showing problem. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to update your Instagram app. So go to the Play Store, click on search bar and search for Instagram. Here update your Instagram apps. After updating your Instagram app, tap and hold Instagram app. Now click on I button or app info. Now scroll down and click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now go back to home screen and check your problem solved successfully. If your problem is still not solved, then follow this step. Just open Instagram, click on profile icon. Now click on three line icon. Now scroll down and find help option and click on it. Now click on report a problem. Now click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Now describe here your problem. After describing your problem, now click on send button. Now wait few hours and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.